Multiplication involving units. Multiply 96 centimeters by 9. Multiplication involving units is exactly the same as normal multiplication. Except, the answer also will have the same unit. To multiply, first do the multiplication 96 into 9. Results in 864. So 96 centimeters into 9 is 864 centimeters. We can convert the answer into meter and centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So we get 864 centimeters equals 8 meters and 64 centimeters. The answer is 8 meters 64 centimeters. Next question. Multiply 17 centimeters into 7. Following the same method, we multiply 17 into 7 first. (119 centimeters equals 100 centimeters plus 19 centimeters. So, we get 1 meter 19 centimeters. The answer is 1 meters 19 centimeters.